Hi, I'm Wilf. Now today we're talking about cells. This is partly a video from my school. Now today we're going to be looking at cell structures. Now human or animal cell structure would be a cell wall with some cytoplasm, some ribosomes in there, mitochondria and a nucleus. In the future I'm going to do a video about a lot more of these wee proteins and organelles. So this is my drawing of a human cell. So we've got the cytoplasm, the yellow stuff here. And then we've got the nucleus, which is the dot here, nucleus. And these wee things are ribosomes. Cell wall, the wee line there. There's also vacuoles, which the mitochondria can scoop up, which are basically blobs of energy that they can use, and they eat them up to create energy for the cell. So the cell structure of an animal or a human cell would be a cell wall, some cytoplasm, ribosomes, mitochondria, and a nucleus. And let me just tell you, all of these are pretty simplified versions of the cell. Second, we're going to talk about plant cells. Now they have a different cell wall. They have a cell wall that's rigid, so it can build structures like a plant. This is my picture of a plant cell. Let me just say this is not to scale. Here we have the chloroplast, it says up here. Here we have the, cytoplasm, yeah, the cytoplasm. We have the cytoplasm, and here's some vacuoles, which I didn't forget to draw, luckily. And we got the nucleus here. The rigid cell wall, because it's to build an actual structure. And then we got the mitochondria, and those are the wee pink things. There is one more type of cell that we're going to be talking about today. It's a bacterial cell, which are single-celled organisms, so the bacteria is the cell. Now, they, instead of a nucleus, have a string of DNA called the main DNA structure. But they also have these wee rings, the wee plasmids here. They're like wee bits that could be useful in a situation. I've got some cytoplasm here, the brown stuff, and the cell wall, which is that. The ribosome, which are those things. And that is everything about that. Now, a fact that I learnt about red blood cells, it was that if red blood cells don't have enough oxygen, they shrink and go all blue and skinny, wibbly wobbly. So basically today we've been talking about 3 different types of cell: animal cells, plant cells, bacterial cells, single-celled organisms. We've also been studying how they are different and similar. Now I will see you guys next time.